Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rigby, local and long distance movers near me. Our long distance moving options include the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We need to relocate across the country or just one state over? We can help. Any long distance move requires the right team to make it easier. Our team of movers knows how to take the stress out of your relocation. With the right Idaho moving company, your local move becomes super easy. You won't have to do any heavy lifting or worry about the time consuming task of loading and unloading and moving the truck. Instead, you can focus on the other aspects of your move while local movers take care of the hard work. 3 Movers uses a streamlined moving process for all local moves. We know how to get your move done fast and easy. If it takes you all week to complete your move, we can have it done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Rigby moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.